From the green valleys of Germany's Ludenscheid to the skyline of Dubai, a new vision of healthcare is being born. Welcome to our first chapter during our Euro tour, where the future of healthcare is being born and shaped during the last week. We have a new partnership with Hellerson. The venture is HMH Group, and this stands for Hellerson Meer Healthcare Group. Yes, we're talking about future-ready ecosystem for healthcare. Hospitals in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and also medical equipment manufacturing in the GCC countries. Global fellowship programs for doctors and nursing education for cross-border nurses. Manpower mobility between Asia and Europe. Our journey continues in Spain, the land of timeless beauty and limitless possibilities. In Valencia and Barcelona, this time we're laying the foundations of future living and global e-commerce. It will connect Europe, Middle East, and Asia via one digital rooftop. We're launching our new platform. It's a marketplace and it's called TradeGate Store. In the heart of Valencia, we're building a brand new project. It's not just a project, it's a villa project and something absolutely exclusive designed for individuals who are willing to embrace a new progressive lifestyle. A seamless blend of elegance, space, and sustainability. The pattern will be repeated in Barcelona, which is a perfect blend of culture and commerce. In Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal, this is where our journey is taking a meaningful turn. Rooted in a community, health, and purpose-driven development. We're here to propose and shape a new residential vision. A vision with a tower, residential tower, set to create a new standard for and benchmark for urban living. Alongside all this, and under the banner of HMH Group, a new multidisciplinary clinic is taking shape now as we speak. It will be a center of care, excellence, and all this is going to be serving the local and global citizens. Meer Group is structuring a uniquely built platform in Lisbon, the capital of Portugal, which is actually offered broad participation to anybody who wants to join, anchoring unique values. A special purpose-built vehicle, financial vehicle, offering access to our international ventures. And this is actually designed for people with precision in order to boost the engagement and also call the attention of potential investors. In Paris, TradeGate is going to serve actually as a digital corridor connecting Europe, Middle East, and Asia. Clients from everywhere so they can actually communicate, offering global reach and operational excellence. From healthcare to real estate to digital trade, Meer Group is building very important partnerships and they have a very long-lasting impact. Join us as we create opportunities and they transcend borders. That's why we can shape tomorrow together.